So we are getting snow tomorrow. It will start snowing today in a couple of hours, and it will continue snowing the whole day and the whole night. So tomorrow we should have plenty of new snow up here. So therefore I will now try to install this Polaris plow system to the vehicle. So the first thing we should do is, I don't know if you can see those hooks on the plow system. It should go in to the chassis by lifting the plow system up and hook them on to the chassis. So we start with that. Okay, step one is done. The next thing we should do is to get the winch out and hook it on this hook on the plow system, and that will allow the winch to raise up the plow or lower it down. Now the winch is hooked on the plow system, and before we're taking the winch in again, we make sure that this locking handle is in the upper position. And when we take the winch in, we should hear a clicking sound when the locking system locks on the chassis. So now the plow system is hooked into the chassis and the locking system is in place. Then we could pull this handle, the locking handle, in the locking position. So now the plow system is connected to the vehicle. One thing that I will adjust on this plow system is those wear shoes that will determine the distance between the snow blade and the ground, because we have only gravel roads up here and I don't want to push away too much gravel. So I will raise those feet fairly high. So we'll start with that and see how that goes. Okay, so there you have it. The Polaris plow system is connected to the Polaris Sportsman. One thing I will do when I'm pushing the snow is to change the angle of the plow blade. I want to push as much snow as possible down to the ditch that we have beside the road. So now we just wait for the snow, and I will come back to you to show you when I push snow for the first time ever. So welcome back to a new day at the homestead. We did not get that much snow as the forecast predicted, but at least we got some snow, and we will try this plow system out. So let's give it a try. So that was fun. I will give it a couple of more runs and then it will be good. Oh, I'm very satisfied with this plow system. It's doing its job, and it's easy to install and easy to remove. I hope you liked this short little video about me installation the plow system and try it on for the first time. So thank you for now, and see you later.